It's more than just packing. Traveling solo is an exciting and rewarding experience, but it comes with its own set of challenges. If you want to go on a solo adventure, there are several important things you should keep in mind to make your trip more enjoyable and less stressful. First, language barriers can be a big issue, especially if you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language. It can be frustrating trying to communicate with locals, order food, or ask for directions. Learning some basic phrases in the local language before your trip will help a lot. Even if you only know a few words, people usually appreciate the effort and are more willing to help you. You might feel relieved when someone understands you, even in a difficult situation. Packing is another important aspect of solo travel. Since you won't have anyone to help you with your luggage, it's essential to pack light. Make sure to bring everything you need, but avoid overpacking. A heavy suitcase can quickly become tiring when you have to carry it alone. It's also a good idea to pack a small first aid kit, just in case you get sick during your trip. Getting lost is something that happens to almost every solo traveler at some point. It can be confusing and a little frightening, especially if you're in an unfamiliar place. To avoid this, always have a map or a reliable navigation app on your phone. If you do get lost, try to stay calm and ask for help from locals or nearby shops. You'll often find that people are happy to guide you, and you might even discover something interesting that you hadn't planned on seeing. Another challenge of traveling solo is the risk of getting sick. Without anyone to take care of you, being sick in a foreign country can feel overwhelming. Make sure you have travel insurance and know where the nearest medical facilities are. Carry any necessary medications with you, and if you do fall ill, don't hesitate to seek help. It's better to get treatment quickly than to wait for your condition to worsen. Finally, solo travelers often miss the company of friends or family. While being alone can be freeing, it can also become lonely after a while. To combat this, consider staying in hostels or joining group tours where you can meet fellow travelers. Sharing your experiences with others can make your trip more enjoyable and less isolating. In conclusion, solo traveling is a thrilling way to explore the world, but it requires careful preparation. By considering potential challenges like language barriers, packing, getting lost, and health concerns, you can have a safer and more enjoyable experience. Although you may miss the company of others, the independence and personal growth you gain from traveling alone make it all worthwhile.